Hello everyone, welcome back to my Learn Easy Maths channel today. Viewers, how are you? I hope today you will be in a very good and also in a very pleasurable condition to learn the maths with my video channel. Okay viewers, today we have the continued part of the previous day, that is the similarity between the congruency and the congruency and similarity. Okay, what is the difference between and the similarity? Let's we understand that one. Yesterday I told you what exactly the congruency and what exactly the similarity. Congruency means when you compare or take any two triangles, their corresponding angles and their corresponding sides must be equal. If they are equal in all aspects relative to the sides and relative to the angles, then we say that both the triangles are congruent to each other. If they have the same angles, two triangles have the corresponding angles are same, but their sides are not same, but their corresponding sides are proportional. Yesterday I told you the sides must be, the corresponding sides should be in a equal proportion or the same ratio. Then we say that they are similar triangles. Today I would like to discuss the two important what we can say the postulates. That is the first postulate and the second postulate. I am not going to name it what is the postulate. After the discussion and explanation, you will yourself only understand that what the postulate 1 is called and what the postulate 2. Come on. See this. I have taken the two congruent triangles. No doubt about it. We are talking about the congruency. So it is a congruent triangles. Take A, B, C and D, E, F. A, B, C and D, E, F. These two triangles, no? For ABC, you see that there is a side known and one angle and another side. And in DEF also, there is a side, one angle and one side. What is this one? Side, angle, side, side, angle, side. For ABC triangle, one side included angle and another side. For DEF triangle, one side included angle, another side. If the two triangles, their corresponding side and corresponding angle and corresponding sides are given, we say that both the triangles are congruent to each other. What does it mean? I would like to take one more example for your understanding purpose. Same, here I have written side angle side, side angle side, popularly which is known as SAS. What exactly? I would like to make you understand by writing some measures on it. Okay. See here. ABC is a triangle as it is same which I have written here. Let AB is 7 centimeter, angle B is 60 degree and angle is side BC is 6 centimeter. For the DEF, the side DE is 7 centimeter, okay, and angle E is 60 degree and EF is 6 centimeter. What do you find? First triangle AB side is 7 centimeter, their angle B is 60 and BC side is 6 centimeter. For the triangle DEF, side DE is 7 centimeter, angle E is 60 and EF is 6 centimeter. One side, one angle and another side of the one triangle is same as one side angle and another side of the another triangle. Then we say that AB 7, the corresponding side D is also 7, angle B is 60 and corresponding angle E is also 60 and side BC is 6 and EF is 6. Side, angle, side, side, angle, side. When we compare both the triangles, their corresponding side, angle, sides are equal, then we say that both the triangles are congruent to each other. This is the symbol of congruency. I hope you understand this, isn't it? Okay, let's take one more example for this one. I am going to take another example. Look here. Let this is one triangle ABC and another triangle same DEF. Okay. You have this side 8 centimeter and 70 degree, and it is what 7 centimeter. This is 8 centimeter, this is also 70 degree, and this is 7 centimeter. This left side I have taken side included angle side. For these two triangles I am taking right side included angle and the side. See that AC has 8 centimeter and BC has 7 centimeter. In between BC and AC included angle 70 degree. Do you follow? Similarly, DE is 8 centimeter and EF has 7 centimeter. Included angle between these two sides is 70 degree. So for the first triangle, this is side, this is angle, this is side. This is side, this is angle, this is side. Here also it follows this postulate SAS. Then I can say that both the triangles are congruent. If triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF, then only we are knowing that the two sides and their included angle of one triangle and two sides included angle of another one, then we say that the whole triangles, both triangles are congruent, means they are equal in all respect, they are equal in all aspects. What is that? The remaining sides are also equal. Okay. What is given? Side AB corresponds to side, here this one, side AC corresponds to side DF, which is equal to 8 centimeter. Similarly, angle C corresponds to and angle F, which is equal to 70 degree. Similarly, side EF and BC side corresponds to the side EF, which is equal to 7 centimeter. This is side angle, this is side. We say that both the triangles are congruent. Okay. What about still there are what? Two angles and one side is remaining. Yes or no? Then for a triangle we have three sides and three angles. But in SAS postulate we have taken two sides and one angle. Can just put a just thinking on your mind, what about the two remaining angles and one side? They are also equal. When they are congruent means the remaining terms are also equal. We say that it is a CP-CT, corresponding parts of the congruent triangles. Okay, AC is now